Hey beautifuls, it's Tasha. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to go over 4 tests that you can do at home so that you can figure out your hair porosity. So knowing your hair porosity is so essential because then you will know what products you need to use to keep your hair healthy. For those of you that really don't know what hair porosity is, or maybe you know and really kind of don't understand it, please go see my video. I did a very extensive video about what hair porosity is. I broke it down, y'all. I broke it down. So please go see that video. Just in case you haven't had time to see the video or you don't know what porosity is, I'm going to give you a brief explanation before I go into the test. So to give a quick sum up about the 3 porosities is low porosity is hard to retain moisture. Medium porosity is when the moisture can get in and out. It's a good balance. And high porosity is when the moisture get in and out, but it's hard to retain. This is the part of the video where I'm going to tell you the 4 different types of tests and explain them. One is the shedding test, aka floating test, the slip and slide test, and the spray bottle test. The first test will be the floating test. Just take a few strands of clean hair with no conditioner or products and drop a few of them into a bowl of water. Then let them sit for 2 to 4 minutes. If your hair floats, you have low porosity hair. If your hair sinks, you have high porosity hair. The second test is the slip and slide test. Grab a strand of your hair and slide your fingers up the shaft, meaning toward the scalp. If you feel little knots while sliding up, that means that your cuticles are lifted and you have high porosity. If your fingers move slowly up the shaft, then you have low porosity. The third test is the spray bottle test. Miss a section of your hair, watch closely. If the water beads up and it fails to absorb or rolls off after a few minutes, you have low porosity hair. And last but not least, here are other characteristics to test your porosity. Please hit the like and notification button and share this video with someone that you think needs to see it. Bye.